Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a recipe video with you guys. I thought I would switch it up and just show you guys something that I'm making for dinner tonight. In my last grocery haul, I talked about making a crock pot chicken pot pie. This is a great meal for if you have a family or if you are just the two of you like my husband and I, because you can have tons of leftovers and it's really easy and you kind of just dump it all in and then cook it all day. This one is a little bit different because I am adding potatoes, which I've never actually made in chicken pot pie before, but maybe you have. Let me know how you like your chicken pot pie. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So this is everything that you are going to need. So I have Christmas music playing in the background, so ignore that, but it calls for salt, pepper, and garlic powder, but all I have is garlic salt, so I'm using that instead of salt and then pepper. It also called for poultry seasoning, but I'm skipping that because I didn't realize that I didn't have it. I have 1 bag of mixed frozen vegetables, 2 potatoes, an onion, some cream of chicken, my crock pot liners, some milk, and of course the chicken. I am modifying the recipe that I'm using, which I will of course link down below. I'm modifying it just a little bit because there's only 2 of us, and so I think the servings of the original recipe were 8, so I'm cutting it in half. So yeah, and I also omitted celery because I don't really like celery that much. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so you guys just saw me put everything in here. I practically dumped everything in after I diced up the potatoes and the onions. I didn't follow the recipe exactly. I just kind of added what I felt looked right. But this is what it's looking like so far. And I'm just going to kind of mix everything together. I added the milk and the cream of chicken, so I'm hoping that that's enough liquid for this all to cook together. But yeah, I'm just kind of mixing it together. Sherman like smells it and he wants it so bad. But then at the end, I will cook the biscuits, and when I do that, I will show you. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this on high because it's already 1:30, and this is a big piece of chicken, and I know it's not gonna cook all the way through. Sorry. If I were to just put it on low by the time that I'm gonna want it. Whoop, I'm making a mess here because I'm trying to focus on the camera and do this at the same time. So I will update you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it is about 5 o'clock now, and I've ran out of good lighting, so that's why I'm using my kitchen lighting right now, because it's pretty much dark outside. But I just got back from taking Sherman on a walk, and the food is pretty much done, except I need to do the biscuits, so I wanted to show y'all what it looked like. It looks super, super yummy. So here it is. I've mixed everything together. I took out the chicken and I kind of cut it up, but it looks super yummy. I actually ended up adding one more can of cream of chicken soup, but other than that, it worked out pretty well. I also added a little bit more pepper. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It looks so yummy. I just put a biscuit on top, but you can add 2 biscuits if you want, or no biscuits at all. But yeah, this looks super, super yummy. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you would like to see more recipe videos like this, then make sure to let me know down below, or give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.